Hello and welcome to a new crochet tutorial. Today's tutorial is for warm cozy scarf. I intended to make a scarf, but I actually ran out of yarn. I did not have enough yarn to make an entire scarf, but I still wanted to share this tutorial because I think this stitch can be useful to many crocheters to make a scarf, to make a baby blanket, a dishcloth, any project of your choice really. This is a very simple pattern. There is only one row repeat and the fabric looks the same on both sides. This is the kind of pattern that you can work on while watching TV because the pattern is very simple and it flows very easily. Also in this tutorial I will show you how I change colors, the yarn color without any knots, without any loose ends. So perhaps that will be useful to beginning crocheters. The yarn that I used is 100% superwash wool, category 4, but you can use any yarn of your choice. I will be working with a hook size H, 5mm. The starting chain must be a multiple of 3 plus 2, and for my scarf I start with 38 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have 38 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the second chain from the hook I will make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next one. So 1, 2, and over here I make a single crochet, and into the same chain I make 2 half double crochets. So 1 and 2. Next I skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the next one again I make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2, into the next one a single crochet and 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. And that's how I continue crocheting this row. Here at the end of the row I have 3 chains left, so I skip 2 chains and I finish with a single crochet into the last chain. And my first row is ready, and in my first row I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pattern repeats. Now I turn and I start the next row with 1 chain, and now into the very first single crochet right here I make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. I skip the next 2 half double crochets and into the next single crochet, which is right here. This is where I'm going to insert the hook. I make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets. 1, 2. Now again skip 2 half double crochets. Over here I make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets, and that's how the pattern goes. And at the end of the row I finish with a single crochet into the very last single crochet, and again I have 12 pattern repeats. I turn my work and all I need to do now is to repeat row 2. Here I crocheted 20 rows of the pattern. This is what it looks like. And now I'm going to change the color of my yarn because I'm combining 2 colors, and here is how I do it. At the end of this row my last stitch is single crochet, but I'm actually going to undo it, and now that I have 2 loops on the hook I'm going to attach the next color, and I fold it like this, leaving about 4-5 inches right here, and now I draw it through, and now I cut off the first color, leaving about 5 inches like that, and here are my short tails. Now I make 1 chain and I pull them and I turn my work. Here is the long tail, here are the short ones. I'm taking it on the back over here, and I'm going to crochet over them so they get weaved into my work. So I start with a single crochet into the first single crochet, then 2 half double crochets, 1, 2. I skip the next half double crochets, and over here again I make a single crochet and 2 half double crochets, and again here a single crochet and 2 half double crochets, and that's how I continue crocheting. And here I have my color change, and on the other side I have these 2 short tails that I'm going to cut off. And now I can continue crocheting with the second color. And here I crocheted some more, and you can't see any yarn tails or anything. The color change is really nice. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I hope it was useful to you. Please come back again soon to see my next one. Bye bye.